from Hardcore Unboxings. Going to unbox this black kyurem tin box, Pokémon, of course. So let's get started. Yeah, so I'm just taking off the seal here. Look at that. So pretty. Put that aside and let's open up. So, first we have, oh yeah, this pretty black kyurem EX. I don't want to take it out because I can break the card. And then we get the Meloetta in attack form. Pretty good too. These are both promos for this tin. So here we get this bonus card. You can just get the code here if you want to. Just use it, yeah, whatever, don't need it. And here, let's see what we've got. Just to mention, Justice is also going to unbox the same tin. So let's see, we have a Plasma Storm, Boundaries Crossed, Dragons Exalted, and another Dragons Exalted. So we'll take the Dragons Exalted. We'll take let's start with Dragons Exalted. Let's start with them. That. So Dragon. Let's just unbox it. Okay. I don't need the pack, so yeah. Let's see what we got. Here's another online booster. Another one. Here's the code. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Let's see what we got. Electric, Gullet, Minchino, Ninchada, Mareep, Fluffy, Roselia, oops, Maractus, and oh nice, Ampharos. Look at that. And a Honchkrow rare. Ampharos is also rare, by the way. Rares and that there. Let's just leave it there. So now we're going to unbox the other Dragons Exalted. We didn't get such a good card. It was just a Honchkrow, but yeah, let's open this right away. Let's see here. Code card, guys. First one gets it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's see. Fungus. Minchino. Magikarp. Apom. Ninchada. Booflant. Cool card. Oh, a Gabite. Stunfisk. Look at that derp. Hoppip. Cool. And another Ampharos. But this time it's a holo rare, so awesome. Yeah, cool. And I hope we can just put it there. Now we have 2 more packs. Let's see. Plasma Storm or Boundaries Crossed? Boundaries. Yeah. Wow, this pack it's hard to open it. Oh god. Come on. There we go. Oh, yes. Yes. Beautiful sound. Look at that Landress. Here we are. Here we go. Okay. Stupid pack. Let's see. Another online code for you guys. You want the code? Yeah. 1 2 3 1 2. Numble, Retara, Ducklet, Frillish, Electabuzz, Town Map, Herdier, Munna, Tranquil. Well, yeah. Ooh, awesome, Samurott, Holo Rare. Oh, awesome. That one was cool. Oh, let's see. Tranquil here. Last pack is Plasma Storm. Open. Oh, that one opened just perfect. So fast and stuff. First one gets it. Sorry. 1 2 3 1 2. Last pack. Hopefully something good. Skitty, Squirrel, Magnemite, Turtwig, Dedue, Watchog, Everlight, Piloswine, Escape Rope, and oh my god, look at that! It's a black Kyurem EX! Rare. Oh my god, oh freaking god, oh. Look at that, now I have 2 different kinds. Look, 2 different EX. Oh my god, I couldn't be happier. Yeah, just. Oh my god, guys. Oh, lovely.
That's great.
So, thank you for watching this unboxing of my Pokemon tin box. Hopefully you enjoyed, and here, VorteX signing out.